traversal. So whenever you are able to take tree traversal, the tree traversal is an algorithmic process to visit or examine each node in a tree data structure. So what is the purpose of tree traversal? The process of visiting and examining each node in a tree data structure exactly once. So during this process, an action or operation is performed. So what is that operation? It can be a print operation. It can be any sort of operation. So any sort of operation you can perform. So you know different types of operations in our trees. So we can insert, we can delete, we can traverse. So any of this, like finding a value or searching a value, anything we can do it. So in order to perform an operation, what we are doing, we are visiting each node, or we are visiting the nodes in a tree. That process is called as tree traversal. In that, we got approaches. So we got pre-order traversal, we got in-order traversal, we got post-order traversal. All these three types of traversal falls under a category called as depth first search traversal. And there is another traversal. We are calling it as a breadth search or breadth first search. What is breadth? This is your breadth. What is depth? This is your breadth. The height is your depth. So if you are able to take a tree, this is your depth. So you are going node by node is a depth. And what is breadth? So like this. So if you are able to take this one, can be called as your breadth. So now depth first search. So if you are searching with respect to a depth, we are calling it as depth first search traversal techniques. In that we have three types: first order, pre-order, in-order, and post-order. If you are trying to search the nodes in a breadth wise, so then we are calling it as breadth first search traversal. So in that we have a type called as level order traversal. What is that? So visit all the nodes of level before going to the next level. So before going to the next level, you are going level by level. You are covering all the values in level 1, and then you are going to level 2, and then you are going to level 3, and then you are going to level 4. We are calling it as a breadth first search traversal. So you got depth first search and the breadth first search. Now let's try to understand the depth first search. So in depth first search, we are able to see pre-order, so in-order, and a post-order. So whenever you take pre-order, so like the sequence starts with root, left, right. And in a in-order, its sequence starts from left, root, and right. And in a post-order, the sequence starts with left, right, and root. So now let's take a simple tree data structure. So now how exactly the traversal works? So now we are trying to take right, and it's root, and then left, and then right. So the root is your A. So if you want to write down the sequence, we are able to first visit. If you go with pre, or we can say pre-order, I'm writing pre. So we are able to start with node A, and then we are able to go to node B. So now root, left, so we are going to root B, and then we are going to right. So we are going to node C. ABC is the pre-order. So if I'm going with in-order traversal, so I'm writing it as in. So now what is the sequence? We are going to the left, and then to the root, and then to the right. So what is the left here? So we are going with B. After going to the B, then again you are going to your A. So like we are going with A, and then you are trying to go with your particular right. Then we are going with right. So we can say BAC is your in-order traversal. So now what is post-order? We can write it as post. So the sequence is left, right, and the root. So we are going to the left, which is B, and then we are going to your right, which is C, and then we are going to your particular root, which is A. So we are calling it as your post-order traversal. So this is a very simple tree. So like it's easy for us to understand the pre-order, in-order, and a post-order. If you have a complex tree, how exactly you can deal with it? How exactly you are able to perform a tree traversal, like pre-order or a post-order or a something like pre-order, any of this, like in-order or pre or post. So for that reason, let's take a simple tree like this and let's try to understand. So like for every particular node, there are edges. So let's try to, if you take these are leaves, we can generate some edges. So these are edges. For example, let us go and draw two edges, and let's say 2 edges. Now what we are doing, let's try to go with our pre-order. So like let me write down pre for this particular tree. Now we are starting with root. So we are going with root. So we are going with root, which is F. So after going to the F, next we are going to your B. So let me go with, so we are going with root, and then we are going to the left, and then we are going to your A. So like from B, we are going to your A. And after B, going to your A, for example, now see this. Now if you are able to take this input, now we are touching the root for one time. We are touching the root here for the one time. We are touching the root here for the one time. And again, the same traversal is going, and it is going into this particular edge, and it is touching. So, and again, it is going and it is touching. So it is overall touching the root. For how many times it is touching the root? This is for second time, and this is for third time. So like this particular traversal, it is going to your A. So this is first time, and again it is going and it is hitting the A again another time, which is second time, and then again it is hitting for the third time. So, and then from A, it is going to your B. So from B, so again here touching the B for the second time. So now again from the B, it is hitting the D for the first time. And from the D, again it is going and hitting the C for the first time. So like we can say F, B, A, and then we are trying to write D, and then we are trying to write C. So now after C, again it is going and hitting your particular C for the second time, and is hitting the C for the third time, and again it is going and hitting the D for the second time, and from that it is hitting the E for the first time. So again C, it going to be E, and from the E, it is going and hitting the E for the second time, it is hitting the E for the third time, and again it is hitting the D. D for already second time it's hit, again it is hitting the D for the third time, again it is going and hitting the B for the third time, again it is going and hitting the F. So like again it is hitting the F for the second time. Already we hit at the first time, again we are hitting it for the second time. And from the F, we are hitting the G for the first time. So E and then G. And from the G, we are hitting it I for the first time. And from the I, we are hitting it the H for the first time. So this is first time, and H is also for the first time. And again from this, we are hitting it for second time and third time. And again, we are hitting I for the second time, and we are hitting the G for the second time. Again, we are hitting the F for the third time. The thing is going outside. So the process. Now in the pre-order, we are trying to take everything the first encountered. So we encountered F for the first time, B for the first time, A for the first time, C for the first time, D for the first time, E for the first time, G for the first time, I for the first time, and then H for the first time. We are calling it as pre-order traversal. And if you are able to go with in-order traversal, we are trying to hit it the second time. So we want to take the data only which is hitting second time. So now F, is it hitting for the first? It is hitting the first time. So what is hitting the second time? So if you take this particular F, so from F we are hitting B, and from that we are hitting A, and from that A we are hitting for the second time. So A going to be the first, and after A hitting for the second time, so the tree is moving in this root way, and again it is hitting B for the second time. So we are writing B, and after that we are trying to go to your particular D, and we are going to C, and we are hitting C for the second time, and again after that we are hitting D for the second time, and after hitting D, again we are going to E. E we are hitting for the second time, and again we are hitting hitting F for your second time, and then we are going to G, again I, H we are hitting for the second time, and after H we are hitting I for the second time, and we are hitting G for the second time. That's it. So now this is in order traversal. So we are going and hitting, we are seeing where exactly it is hitting two times. It's not first time. It's not just the input. It is going inside. So like a pre-order and then in order. So we are able to see second time. So second time, only the second time things we know. And next the post order. So post order going to be hitting third time. So now F, it is hitting first time, second time. So A second time, and it is hitting A another time, which is third. So A going to be third time, and again we are trying to go to B second time, again D, again C, and again C we are hitting for the third time, and after that we are going to D, again E, first time, second time, E for the third time, and after E we are trying to hit the D for the third time, and we are trying to hit your B for the third time. We are trying to go and hit the F, it's second time only. So I, again G, I. So H we are hitting for the third time. and again we are trying to go to I, G and F, we are hitting for the. So this is your post-order traversal. So like whenever you are going to your pre, in and the post, so what exactly we are doing, we are trying to hit it. So based on the particular sequence, so like pre-order, we are trying to hit it. Even if you are able to take this example as well. So like if you take first time, so you are trying to go to the first time, and this B for the first time, A, B, and next C, this is also for the first time, A, B, C. And if you take, if you in order, so we are trying to go with the A, and then we are getting into B for the second time, and then B for again A and C. So again, it will going to have the second time, so B, and then we are getting into A second time, and then C second time. And if you are able to take post order third time, so like A, so now we are getting to the B, and again second time and the third time. So B going to be the first place, then A going to be second time, C first time, again this path C third time, and then we are going to A, PCA. So like if you are hitting a particular node first time, which is a pre-order, if you are trying to hit a particular node 2 times, we are trying to record it, which is in order. If you are hitting the same node for 3 times, which is a post-order. So based on that, we are able to perform tree traversal in our tree data structures. So let's try to see level order traversal in our next.